Okay. So what are some daily chemical reactions that you see in your daily life? Any idea? Daily chemical reactions that you see in your daily life. Wherever you see chemical reactions. Iller nodri. Any example? Milk. If I leave it for a day, what will happen to the milk? What will happen to the milk? Milk na use ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಒಂದಿನ ನೋಡಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಕೆಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ Similarly, if I keep any grapes or if I take any fruit, apple, if I just keep it and go for 15-20 days, what will happen to that fruit? Correct? That fruit will also get wasted. Next, again, any examples that you can give like this? Okay, these benches are made from iron. If I don't use them, if you don't use the benches, if you don't use a nail, if you don't paint them, correct? Iron will get what? Rusted. So rusting is also happening. So rusting happens because of those are also chemical reaction. Whenever oxygen or water gets in contact with the iron, it will start rusting. Yes or no? So these are all what chemical reactions in the daily life that we see. Getting or no? So iron gets rusted. Iron gets rusted. Correct? Correct? All this milk waste haketi. Correct? Fruits get rotten. Fruits get rotten. These are some simple examples that we can see in our daily life. That means chemical reaction is happening or no? Correct? But here we will study more deeply, in depth. That's a chapter. Now first, I will directly start with the equations. Now if I take one equation, example, magnesium plus oxygen is equal to magnesium oxide. Magnesium plus oxygen is equal to magnesium oxide. Is this equation balanced equation? Is this equation a balanced equation? That is my question. What do you think? Is this a balanced equation? Henry? Yes or no? Is that a balanced equation? Why? Here oxygen, how many are there? 2 are there. Here how much is there oxygen? 1. Okay. So first I will show you how to identify that. First we should write elements. Okay. This side is called as reactant side. This side is called as reactant. This side we get product. This side we get product. So reactant side, whatever reactants we have, they should be equal to the product side elements. Now what are the elements that I can see here? I can see magnesium, write that. Correct? And what is there? Oxygen is there. We only have 2 elements. One is magnesium and second one is oxygen. Can you say anything? Correct? So I have reactant side and I have product side. So in reactant side, how many magnesium are there? 1. Okay. And how many oxygen are there? 2. Oxygen are 2. But in the product side, how many magnesium are there? 1. And oxygen? 1. So is this balanced? This is balanced. 1, 1. Correct. Here also 1 is there. There also 1 is there. Illu 1 etpa, illu 1 eti. Okay, done. But oxygen here 2 are there. Here 1 is there. That's the problem. Correct. So what I will do? I will apply 2 here. 2. I will make this 2. I will make this 2 magnesium oxide. Okay. By making this 2, this became now 2 into 2. This is 2 now. 2 magnesium aati. Illu 1 aati magnesium. So I can give here also 2. Correct. Initially will not understand mostly, but by seeing that slowly tilkom bartade nimage kodutane madaka. Okay. So now 2 magnesium are there here also. Here 2 magnesium, 2 magnesium, 2 oxygen, 2 O. So everything is balanced. This is how we write the balance equation. Now it became what? It became a balance equation. Initially how it was like this. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. This was the initial equation. This was the initial equation. This is a balanced equation. Understood? So first part of this chapter, whole chapter, considers equations. The whole part is about balancing the equation. There might be 3 mark, 4 mark question. Okay, last year also it had appeared in the board. The question will be about just balancing. This is the main thing. This you can't keep studying. ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಲ್ತೆಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪಾರ್ದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಲಿತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪಾರ್ದೆ. That you can't do. This is the time where you should study balancing the equation. This will help you first year, second year, everywhere this will help. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಲಿಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so that much important it is. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, take this down. I will give some more. Then you will understand. Take it. Now I will write the question. Okay, let's try to solve that. Now first don't write anything, just see here. Okay, for second question, zinc plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. This is the question. Okay, now I should tell whether the equation is balanced or not. That's my work. So first I will write elements. Elements, this is the table how we make it. This side will have reactants, product. Okay, so what are the elements that you see here? I have zinc, Zn. I have hydrogen, H, I have sulfur, S, and I have oxygen, O. Do I have any other elements? Correct? These are the only elements that I have. So zinc, how many are in the reactant side? This is my reactant side. Don't forget. Okay, this is my product. How many do I have in the reactant side? 1. Okay, and H 2 are there. Yes, 1 is there. O 4 are there. Okay. Similarly here in the product side, zinc 1, H2, S1, O4. See, almost everything is balanced here. Should I change anything? Correct? So this is a balanced equation. So there is no need to change anything. This is one balanced equation. Understood? So this is how balanced equation looks. The elements on the right hand side will be equal to the product side of right hand side, left hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side barbecue. They should get equated. Okay, any doubts? Take this first. Completed. Completed. This is the question. So first elements. Reactant, products. This is reactant side. This is product. Okay. So what are the elements here that you can see? First one, Fe means iron. Fe means iron. Okay. So Fe. I have H. hydrogen, I have oxygen. These are the three elements. Okay. Here also same will be there. Same will be there. Okay. So in the reactant side, I have Fe 1, H2, oxygen 1, and on the product side I have Fe 3, hydrogen 2, oxygen 4. Okay. Changing you can start from anywhere. There is no rule like first I should change O or first I should change Fe. It's your interest. How you want you can start. Okay. So this is perfect. H2 2. This is balanced. Where I am missing here Fe and O is missing. Correct? This is 1, this is 3, this is 1, this is 4. So let's take Fe first. Here Fe 3 is there. Here only Fe is there. Can I make this 3 Fe? Yes or no? Fe 3, 3 Fe. So 1 into 3, 3. This became balanced. 3, 3. Is it? This became 2, 2. H2. Next here O4 is there. Here O how much is there? 1 is there. So to make this 4, what I can do is I can make this as 4H2O. 4H2O means this became 4O. This became 4O. But H2 became a 2 4s are 8. That's how we do it. 4H2 means it's 4 2s are 8. 8 elements of a H are there. Okay. So H became how much now? 8 on the product reactant side. And O became 4. Understood or no? As you change, everything will keep changing. So you should change that also. 4H2, that means 8H are there, 4O are there. Here, only 4O are there. So what I can do now to change that? What I can do? Can I write here 2? If I write 2 here, sorry, H I should change it. This is 8, I will write here 4. 4 2s are 8. Correct? So here also 8H are there, here also 8H are there, here 4O is there, here 4O is there, here Fe3 is there, here also Fe3 is there. Any doubts? Once again shall I do? Once again I will do and show, okay? Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. 4 plus H2. See properly now. Fe1, sorry, Fe H O, Fe1 H2 O1, Fe3 H2 O4. So first I did this as 3 Fe, Fe3, balanced. Next, here H2 is there, H2, okay, O4 is there, O1 is there, so 4O. But this H became 8, this was 4, correct? So I wrote here 4H2, 4 to the 8, this also became H2. Now everything is balanced. 3 Fe, 8H, O4. Any doubts? Take it. First what you do, you write the question, then you take this as an answer. First is Bercometry, then so that you can try home also. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3 O4 plus H2. This is the question. Afterwards you write the answer. Don't write like how I wrote here, direct answer. If you see this, you can't solve in home, correct? So just write question, then you again track that and write this. Now open your exercise. Exercise 6th question. Exercise sums are there, no? In that, go for the 6th question. In textbook, you have only these examples. Whatever I wrote till here, MGO and these 2 examples, Only these are there. Further, we will solve exercise 1. Okay. So exercise question I am taking. Exercise 6th question. First we will do D because it's the easiest one. Okay. Everybody has textbook? If you don't have, see here. Okay. So the question goes like this: BaCl2 plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus HCl plus HCl. Now first, will you guys try this? Afterwards, I will do. Okay, try. First you try, you get the answer. Then I will try. Okay, take it. ಆಜು ಬಾಜು ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, reactants, products. So first element I have barium. Ba means barium. Chlorine. Some people have wrote Cl2. It's just chlorine. Getting or no? H2 means you shouldn't write H2. It's just H, hydrogen. Next hydrogen, H, and S, sulfur, and last oxygen. These many elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. Okay. So now I will start balancing them. So here Ba1 is there. Cl, correct nodri, I will go faster. Cl2, H2, S1, O4. Here Ba1, S1, O4, H1, Cl1. This is the equation. Okay. So anyhow you can start. Only O is balanced. You can start from anywhere. So the most easiest is BaCl2 is there. H2 is there. I will make this 2HL. Yes or no? Here also Cl2 was there. Here also H2 was there. Now H got 2, Cl got 2. Correct? So this got balanced. H got 2, 1 into 2, 2. Cl, H, 1 into 2, 2. This and this got balanced. Now I will go to Ba. Ba is also balanced. This is also balanced. This is also balanced. Okay. And should or no? The only change was this applying 2 here. Everything got balanced. Any doubts? Easy? How many got the answer? Very good. Okay. Next one. Take this fast. Only make this 2H. That's the answer. Take it fast. Try third one. See. 6th question, C. Right question, try. Okay, stop writing C here, no? NaOH, no? NaCl. C, NaCl, NaCl plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus NaNO3. This is the question. Okay. Now N here is also there. N is here also. N represents nitrogen. Don't think this is nitrogen. What is this? Na means what? Sodium. Na means sodium. Don't think again this N2. Getting over? Na means sodium. Here this is nitrogen. This is oxygen. Okay. Separate if I should tell. So elements, reactants, products. Elements, I have sodium, Na, I have chlorine, Cl, I have Ag, silver, Ag means silver, okay. Again I have nitrogen, I have oxygen. Understood? So Na how many I have here? Na I have 1, Cl 1, Ag 1, N1, O 3. It's balanced only. Ag Cl Na1 Cl1 Ag1 N1O3. First one, it's balanced. It's a balanced equation. Correct? So there is no need to change. How many got same answer? Correct? LR1. Okay. Next. Next, will you try? Try first. B. NaOH. Okay, stop writing. See here. Elements. Product. Reactant. First I have sodium, Na. Okay. Next I have O, oxygen. H, hydrogen. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Next I have H, I have written it here, so don't write. Sulfur is a new element now. Oxygen also I have written it here. Getting? Correct? So we have only 4 elements. Some people have written 5. Correct? Na1, O1, H1 plus 2, 3. You should see on the right hand side how much total, in total I have. Here I have 1, here I have 2. So total I have 3. Okay, and sulfur I have only 1 here. Here I have Na2. Oxygen here 4 I have, here 1 I have. Oxygen total I have 5. See properly when I am doing some, don't write anything. Oxygen 4 plus 1, 5. Hydrogen 2 are there. And last sulfur 1 is there. Okay, so I can start from anywhere. Na2 is there, I will make this 2 Na. Yes or no? Na2, 2 Na. If I make this 2 Na got balanced initially, but O increased by 2. So here 2 O are there, and here 4 are there. Here 2 O are there, here 4 are there. So total how many are there? 6 are there here now. Correct? Why I wrote 1 I don't know. O was 4 first. 4 it must be. Okay, I will change it 1 second. O 4 was there, correct? 5 was there. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5. 5. Now O became 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 plus 1. So 6 O are there. Now 6 O are there. And H became 2 plus 2, 4. H became 4. Okay. So to make this 4, now here only I have H2. To make it 4, I will apply 2 H2O. 2 2s are 4. Now H became 4. H became 4. Oxygen became now 4 plus 2, 6. Everything got balanced. How many got the answer? Vanilla? Did it? No, should I do it once again? Okay, stop writing. See here now. Once again I will do it. Read the question. B. Na OH
plus H2SO4
gives
gives Na 2 SO4
Na2SO4
plus
plus H2.
H2O.
Correct? Correct. So once again, elements, reactant, product. Na element, oxygen, hydrogen, sulfur. Okay. Here I have Na1, oxygen 4 plus 1 5, and hydrogen 1 plus 2 3. Sulfur only 1 is there. Na2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4 plus 1 5, oxygen 4 plus 1 5, hydrogen 2. Correct? Okay. So here Na2 was there, so I made this as 2 NaOH. However, you can start here, it is missing, here it is missing, you can start from H also, you get the answer. Okay. So 2 Na into 2, oxygen became 2 plus 4 6. Okay. Hydrogen became 2H plus 2H 4. Okay. Now come here. So now hydrogen became 4. Hydrogen became 2H plus 2H4. Here only I have H2. So to increment that, I have only one option, making this 2H2. Correct? Do I have any other option? Correct? I should make that only. So if I make that 2H2O, 2 2s are 4, H became 4, and oxygen incremented by 2O plus 4, 6. Everything got balanced. So as you go on further, automatically it will balance. It's not like balance ಆಕೈತೋ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಹಂಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ultimately it will balance itself only. ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್? Any doubts? Okay, take it. After completing this, one more equation I will give. Try it here. Don't try that equation. First one, Fe2O3 plus Al gives Fe. Try this. Elements है Fe, oxygen, aluminum. 3 elements are there. Okay, Fe2, oxygen 3, aluminum 1, Fe1, aluminum 2, oxygen 3. So initially I will change Fe only. Here Fe2 is there, I will make this as 2 Fe. Balance, correct? And Al1 is there, this is 2 is there. So I will make this 2 Al. Over. How many got this answer? Getting over? So slowly as you try, keep doing, will start getting the answers. Initially will not get. As you practice, stop ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. But if you keep doing, we'll get answer. Okay. Now we left one question first. 6A we left, correct? Try that. Sixth question A. Sixth question A. ನಿರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದೈತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay. 6A. HNO3. Okay, I will only do it because here NO3 of twice ಐತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Stop writing C ಅದು. Most important sum. Okay. So first I will write elements. Reactants, products. I have H, hydrogen, I have nitrogen, oxygen. Next I have calcium. Anything other? Over? Everything is over? Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, calcium. Oxygen, hydrogen. If I break, it's not OH. Oxygen, hydrogen, hydroxide. So hydrogen, how much I have? Here 1 I have. Here how many I have? 2 I have. OH twice means O2 are there, H2 are there. Okay. So here 1 I have, here 2 I have. Total 3. Nitrogen 1. Oxygen, here 3 I have, here 2. 3 plus 2, 5. And last calcium, only 1 I have. Any doubts? Easy. Next, come here now. Calcium, only 1 I have. Don't think it is Ca2 again. NO3 twice. So this 2 is there for N and O, not for calcium. Because the bracket doesn't consider Ca. Correct? So calcium, only 1 is there. Nitrogen, 2. Nitrogen, 2. Oxygen, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. And last, hydrogen, 2. Any doubts? Understood how we use brackets? So O2, H2, this means N2, O6. Okay? Now I should balance it. So I will start from where? I will start from H. H I can start. H is 3 here, correct? H2, H1. Then start ಮಾಡಿಪ್ಪ. N, Ca1, 1, O5, O5 is 1. Where we will start? H if I do, this is H ಏನು ಮಾಡಾಕ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. 2 into 1. Okay, I will start from here only. I will make this 2. If I make this 2, now 2n are there. 2n are there. And 2h plus 2h. Totally 4h are there. No? 4h are there. And 2 3s are 6O plus O2, 8 are there. These are the changes that happen. Understood or no? Next. Now what I can do is, here H4 are there. Here only 2 are there. I will make this as 2H2. By making that 2H2, now H are how many? 4. Oxygen also will separate. 2 3s are 6 plus 2O. Oxygen became 8. Everything got balanced? So initially I also don't know. But na bad ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿನಪ್ಪ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Getting or no? So I also come here and try. Similarly you also try ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ತಾನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. It's not like I know that before only, nothing. Getting? Any doubts? What I did here, I applied 2 here and I applied 2 here. Only that I did. Everything got balanced itself. I take. Any doubts? Now you write the question, try it yourself. It's not very bad. Okay? Take the question, do it yourself. Don't say and write. Okay, if you complete this, try this next one. Try that. Tomorrow I will directly start from the chapter. Okay. This is one part of the chapter is only balancing. Remember that. Next part is pura theory now. ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ pura theory start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. The elements, reactants, products, C, H, Cl. Okay, stop writing Cl. C1, H4, Cl2. Correct? Don't consider this C2. Getting on? No, this is C carbon, this is chlorine. Okay, next C1, Cl4, Cl5, H1, C1, Cl4, Cl5, H1. Correct? Initially this will come. Next, now this is Cl2, there is Cl5, H4 is there here. I can make this as 4HL. Okay, so here H4 was there, here only one was there. I made it 4HL, so this became 4 now, and Cl became a Cl4 plus Cl4, Cl8. So to make that properly, I can apply 4 Cl2 here. 4 2s are 8 Cl2. Everything got balanced. How many got answer? Okay, remaining you try and come in. Today I'll stop here. Okay.